In today's video, I will teach you how to mask out complex objects using Photoshop. Let's get started. First, open the image that you would like to edit. Now, in the toolbar, click on the lasso tool and select the area that you would like to mask out. Make sure to include every strand of the hair of your subject or every leaf of the tree that you are trying to mask out. Now, in the top panel, click on the Select and Mask button, and in the new workspace, make sure to set the Refine mode to Object Aware. Now, in the toolbar, click on the Refine Edge Brush tool, and with this, paint on the areas that you would like to refine, like leaves, grass, and in this image, I would like to refine the hair. Make sure to refine each edge of the subject that you are trying to mask out. Once you're satisfied, go in the Properties panel, scroll down, and enable Decontaminate Colors under the Output settings. And once you're done, click OK, and you're done. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.